Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create a Canva account from scratch. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to canva.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the main Canva homepage with all their design features and templates displayed. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Sign Up button. Go ahead and click on it to begin the registration process. After clicking Sign Up, Canva will present you with several options for creating your account. You can sign up using your email address, or you can use existing accounts from platforms like Google, Facebook, or Apple to make the process faster. These social login options are convenient because they eliminate the need to create and remember a new password, and they speed up the entire sign-up process significantly. For this tutorial, we'll be using a Google account to sign up, which is one of the most popular methods. Look for the button that says Continue with Google and click on it. This will trigger a new window to pop up, which is Google's account selection page. This window shows all the Google accounts currently logged in on your browser, making it easy to choose the one you want to link with Canva. From the list of available accounts, select the Google account you'd like to use for your Canva registration. Once you've made your selection, click the Continue button to proceed. Google will then verify your account and automatically share the necessary information with Canva to set up your profile. After this verification process completes, Canva will ask you a quick question about how you plan to use their platform. This helps them customize your experience and show you relevant templates and features right from the start. You'll see several options like personal projects, education, small business, or other categories. For this example, click on personal projects, though you should choose whichever option best matches your actual use case. Next, Canva might ask about your messaging preferences, which relates to whether you want to receive emails about tips, updates, and design inspiration. If you're not interested in receiving these communications right now, simply click Skip to move past this step. You can always adjust these settings later in your account preferences if you change your mind. Finally, you'll see a welcome screen or tutorial prompt. Click Got it or Next to acknowledge this and move forward to your new Canva dashboard. And just like that, you've successfully created your Canva account and you're ready to start designing graphics, presentations, social media posts, and much more. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.